squash it, man.
Hey, hold up. We were best friends until Justin came. Fuck what you heard. He was a lame. Everybody knows he was on his player game. We were both in love, but that was a shame. We both felt bad,
And he should too.
Walking around Kingston
With his chipped tooth.
Damn, my boy, I thought you told the truth. Got your ex back in PK. Damn,
woo-hoo. When we first kissed, I thought it became real. The next day of town, it became a big deal. Do you know how that made a nigga feel? Boop, nigga, bye.
We really are done.
You played with our heads. I hope you had fun. That wasn't a threesome. You couldn't even choose. Sorry, that wasn't a win or a lose. We just had to cut the fuse. You were a pretty boy, and now you just a dub. Please don't go on Facebook writing all these subs. You and Tanai cute.
We ain't gonna hate. We already know.
That's a lame bitch trait. I hope you really date.
But we gonna sip our tea.
Justin said we're fake, like a Barbie. But we smoking kush. We on a Marley. Hey!